Welcome to the channel featuring Canva tips and tricks. Today we are going to create this cool drip or melting effect. Let's go to a blank Canva page to get started. I'll start with our text example of melt. Let's use a better font. I think Milestone is a bit better for our demo. I'm going to do this with a red font. Let's use a black background to give us good visual contrast. Now we need to add the drip effect. Search drip in Elements. There are lots of choices, but I'm going to start with a smaller one. Change the color to match our font, then resize it to fit the bottom of the text. Duplicate it and flip horizontal as you move from letter to letter. For letters with more length, use one of the larger drips. Resize it, change color to match your text, and align to the bottom of the letter. I'll just grab one of the little drips to go here at the end. For the upper half of the letters, just use the small drips again, but change the color to match the background. Keep duplicating these until you have coverage across the tops of the letters. I say this in every video, but this is where your OCD can really take control. For the sake of the demo, I'm just going to do this quickly. But ultimately you want to align this as perfectly as you can. There, that will do for now. What do you think of this effect? As I look at this, I feel like we need a heat source behind it, to add to the melting effect. Let's add that as a bonus. Back in Elements, let's grab a circular gradient. I'm going to make the gradient color the same as our font, and then reduce the transparency. Here's the final. I'd fidget with this a bit more to smooth it out. If you found this demo helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.